Well, the advent of OTT has not only been a boon for the fresh talent, but also for many senior actors. Many senior actors are also seeing a fresh lease of life to the career thanks to the digital domain. Actors namely Sushmita Sen, Saif Ali Khan, Bobby Deol, Radhika Apte, Jaideep Alwant, Amit Saad, Pankaj Tripathi and many others have actually emerged out as a winner on the OTT platforms. well, ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपने लिए एक नई जगह जैसे कि बना ली है हमारे इन कलाकारों ने। सिर्फ टेलीविजन जगत के नहीं बल्कि बॉलीवुड जगत के कलाकारों ने भी OTT की तरफ मुड़ लिया है। OTT की तरफ अपनी गाड़ियां मोड़ ली हैं और फाइनली दे हैव मेड अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल करियर इन द OTT फ्रंट। सो आइए चलिए जानते हैं अबाउट ऑल दोज एक्टर्स ऑन द बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री जिन्होंने अपने बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल करियर को सेट कर लिया है OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में। Ahana Kumra. After lipstick under my burqa, Ahana Kurma started exploring the digital space. She has featured in Inside Edge, Rangbaz, Marzi, and Betal. She's now busy in a way she never has been when she tried exploring the films and television. Next on the list is Amit Saad. If you would recall, Amit Saad is a college boy in the teen teledrama Kyun Hota Hai Pyar, or his emotional journey in the first season of the reality TV show Big Boss. His foray in Bollywood with films like Kai Poche and Sultan was applauded for his acting. But these films did not help him much when it comes to garnering the limelight. That has happened in the OTT space. Earlier this year, Amit set a mini record in the OTT world with as many as 3 releases in the same day. He had pivotal roles in the digitally released films Shakuntala Devi, Yara, and he has also starred in web series Avrodh, The Sage Within. He had made a mark with his role of a cop over 2 seasons of Brief. Bobby Deol. After initially successful years in the Bollywood industry, Bobby Deol hit a rough patch stretch with his Silver Jubilee run. He started his second innings with much hype multi-starrers like Race 3, Household 4, but these films did not help his career at all. Now he has found a resounding return thanks to his starring role in OTT series like Ashra. He was also the star of Shah Rukh Khan produced digital film Class of 83. Jaideep Alwant. In his Bollywood journey, Jaideep featured in films like Rockstar, Gangs of Wasseypur, Raees, Razi, but failed to get acclaim and fame that came his way when he essayed the police officer in Patal Lok. People are admiring a police officer's character who is fighting through a corrupt system, trying to prove his self-worth and seek justice in a post-truth world. I even received messages from many people saying that they could very well relate to the character and the struggle. It feels great to see your work being appreciated by people. It gives me a renewed sense of vigor to do more such brilliant work, said Jaideep जब उनसे पूछा गया उनके शो के सक्सेस के बारे में। Namit Das. Namit Das was a cute college friend of Ranbir Kapoor in 2009 Wake Up set, but things did not take off after that. Rather, it was a digital platform that helped him prove his versatility. Namit, who started his journey on TV with the show Pancham and got noticed with the TV series Sumit Sabhalega, has utilized the web space to step out of the good boy zone. Notably with the show Mafia. He played the role of Jawad, a character with grey shades with aplomb in the web series Arya with star Sushmita Sen. He also featured in the crime thriller Abhay. Pankaj Tripathi. Pankaj Tripathi was a phenomenon waiting to happen, given his abundant talent. Only Bollywood did not have quite the roles after he made his mark with that small but impressive outing in the Gangs of Wasseypur. Rather, his real turnaround happened on OTT as the dreaded gangster Kaleem Bhaiya in the web series Mirzapur and Sacred Games, where he played the power-hungry Guruji. The acclaim to his OTT sojourn has opened up doors across the platform. At the moment, he is seen as a gangster in Ludo, which is streaming on Netflix. Radhika Apte. Radhika Apte has earned widespread praise for her performance in web series like Love Story, Sacred Games, and Ghol. At present, she is hailed as the queen of OTT platforms. Some actors have outstanding parts. All the OTT platforms seem to be working on big productions only. I hope it's not just a transfer of content from Bollywood to them. Let's wait for a year or two. Consistency can only be checked over time. Right now, the platform is superb. There is no doubt that the budgets are great, production and systems amazing, and work ethics in the right place. Radhika had said while speaking to a leading portal. At the moment, the digital platforms seem to be giving women more code to play, with many more and stronger protagonists. She added, she was last seen in the film Raat Akeli Hai that streamed on Netflix. The next on the list being the handsome Saif Ali Khan, who's all set to be a father once again. After hitting a rough patch with the sting of failures in Bollywood including Rangoon, Chef, Kalakandi and Bazaar, Saif Ali Khan's career got a breath of fresh air with Sacred Games which brought him back into the action. He is now looking forward to another digital outing with the web series Tandav. Shriya Pilgaonkar. Shriya Pilgaonkar began a movie career with 2013 Marathi film Ikuthi Ek. Despite her presence in the Shah Rukh Khan star of film Fan, she didn't really get noticed. It was her role in Sweetie in the web series Mirzapur that put the spotlight on her. She was also seeing interesting roles in the digital series Crackdown and The Game Gone. Last on the list being the gorgeous and stunning Sushmita Sen. Sushmita Sen, who was last seen in 2005 Bengali film Nirbak, made her acting comeback with a fierce avatar through a web series Arya. Well, the show is about how her protagonist Arya is pulled into narcotic business when her family is threatened. The series streams on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. Sushmita now looks forward to the second season of the show. The response of Arya has been overwhelmingly great. An entire team of fantastic people put this show together, and we knew we were creating something magical with Arya. However, even we could not fathom the kind of response it has received. It has been a really heartwarming journey for me, said Sushmita talking to a leading portal. Well, ये सब देखकर वाकई में पता चलता है कि हमारे टेलीविजन बॉलीवुड के कलाकारों ने पूरी कोशिश करी है फैंस एंड ऑडियंस को अपने अलग अलग अवतारों से एंटरटेन करने की। अगर बॉलीवुड के रास्ते उनके लिए बंद हो जाते हैं तो वो आ गए हैं OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे बस हमें एंटरटेन करने के लिए। Well, we can wish all of them good luck for their upcoming web series and career, and we really hope कि वो अपने अलग अंदाजों से हमें एंटरटेन करते हुए नजर आएं। आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि कौन से वो कलाकार हैं जिनका काम आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आया है। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.